Hi everyone, this is a Hexagon Fire Pit that I make that's 14 inches deep by 34 inches across the outside, flat to flat. I'm showing this with one of our swivel grills that is made so that you can use a Weber grill top on it. Fits on it. That grill is adjustable up and down, swivels 360, and will hold a couple 100 pounds. The fire pit liner itself is made from 400 series stainless steel, and the stake pocket is welded on the inside, and then the grill tube slides into that. It all pulls out if you don't wish to use it. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, our address is on the bottom of this video. Thank you.